Example 2. Two particles P and Q are moving around concentric circular paths of radii 10 cm and 20 cm respectively. If the two particles complete the circular paths in the same time, calculate the ratio of their linear speeds. Since there are two particles moving in a concentric circles of circular paths radius r1 and radius r2. So there are two particles, let the particle P and particle Q. And particle P is moving around the circle of radius r1 which is 10 cm. And particle Q is moving around the circle of radius r2 20 cm. And both complete the circle in the same time. That means the time taken to complete one cycle is t. Since both complete the cycle in the same time, their angular velocities will be remain same, because angular velocity is nothing but angle rotated by time. So the angular velocities of both the particles will be remain same because both completes 2 pi radians in the same time t. But we want to know what is the relation among linear velocities, so or linear speeds. Linear speed of the first particle is r1 cross angular velocity of the first particle, and linear velocity of the second particle is equal to r2 cross angular velocity of the second particle. So therefore v1 by v2 is equal to r1 is 10 centimeter into angular velocity omega 1 by r2 is 20 centimeter into angular velocity omega 2. Since both complete the cycle in the same time, omega 1 is equal to omega 2, omega 1 and omega 2 get cancelled, and this will be 1:2 ratio.